Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix video recording not working on Redmi Note 15. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, click power button and volume up button, you will see, and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Scroll down to end, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, scroll down and click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media setting from here. Click on media DRM settings and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can video recording not working on Redmi Note 15. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.